got smile, and it seems to me reminds me of childhood memories where everything was a precious, the bright blue sky. Now and then when I see her face, she takes me away to that special place. And if I stare too long, I'll probably break down and cry. Oh, 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 sweet child of mine. Oh, sweet love of mine. She's got eyes of the bluest skies, as if they don't fray. I hate to look into those eyes and see in one so vain. Her rays reminds me of the warm, safe place where as a child not I pray for the thunder and the rain to quietly pace me by. Oh, sweet child of mine. Oh, sweet love of mine. Oh, sweet child of mine. Where do we go? Oh, where do we go now? Where do we go?